About the neutrophils. There are two types of neutrophils, segmental neutrophils and band neutrophils. Now what are the new segmental neutrophils? Those are the totally matured neutrophils and are the most numerous cell type in the peripheral blood. That is, in your blood, the most type of cells will be your segmental neutrophils, which is almost 50 to 70% within your circulating WBC. While your band neutrophils, these are the less matured type of neutrophils, just before segmentation of the cells of the neutrophils. Just before that stage is called your band neutrophils, where it is less matured with the nucleus which has not yet segmented, and this will be around 5%, 0 to 5% will be present in within your circulating WBCs. So what is the primary function of your neutrophils? It is basically to destroy the invading microorganisms, foreign materials and dead cells by phagocytosis. Any microorganism or foreign materials that enter our body, that are being destroyed by these neutrophils by the process called as phagocytosis. And what do you mean by phagocytosis? It is a process where the neutrophils engulfs and destroys these particles through the release of various enzymes and reactive molecules. Now, neutrophils are produced and stored in the bone marrow, and it takes about 8 to 12 days in the full maturation of these neutrophils and to be released in the circulation. However, if the demand increases due to any bacterial infection or any foreign body that has entered our body, the time duration for this maturation process can be shortened for as few as 2 days. And in these cases, some immature neutrophils, that is your band cells, may also be released. And once released into the peripheral blood, these neutrophils only have a short lifespan of around 6 to 8 hours. Now, in the peripheral blood or in your circulating system, these neutrophils are all again exchanged into two different intravascular pools. One will be half of the neutrophils will be in the circulating pool, while the rest of the half will be in the marginated pool. Now, what do you mean by circulating pool and marginated pool? Circulating neutrophils are measured in the CBC. That is, they are differentiated into circulating pool and marginated pool. In the circulating pool, where the neutrophils are circulating within the blood, those are the only neutrophils that are measured when you do a CBC, while the marginated pools adhere to the walls of the blood vessels and are not counted. Neutrophils are able to rapidly shift from one pool to another, that is from the marginated pool, they can come into the circulating pool as on the base of your physiological condition. If you have an infection, or if you have a bacteria or microorganism within your body that is hurting your body, the neutrophils that are within the marginated pool can shift very suddenly into your circulating pool and accordingly can do its function. So this is a function of your neutrophils.